Hey guys, have you heard about the giant monster in the cave? I have not, but it's probably nothing. I mean, you believed about that murderer, and technically there was one. Kind of. I mean, sort of, maybe. Just shut up, guys. I'm trying to relax for... Hey guys. Malachi, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just riding my brand new car. That's a toy car. Yeah, but whatever. It's still a car, technically. Yeah, but it's a toy car. Who likes toy cars anyways? I do. Yeah, get with the future, man. Real cars are the new thing, not fake cars. Technically, it's not a fake car. It's a toy car, but whatever. Shut up. Ow! What was that for? You're just being really mean right now. Well, that doesn't give you the right to throw your toy car at me. It kinda does. What? How? You were being kinda rude, Brick. What? You were being rude too. No, I wasn't. I didn't say anything. Well, guys, you can have this conversation, whatever. Well, I'm gonna go investigate that monster in the cave. Yeah, run away from this awesome car. Go kill him. Wait, what? The car! Oh no! Good job, car. You just killed Journal. I think it's Journal, whatever. We're just gonna go, right, Rick? Yeah, right. Yeah, we're just gonna go. Slip out of here. Let you relax for today, right? Car killed him. Run! Over here. Are you okay? Are you okay? I don't hear anything. Did he die? Ah! 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 It's on me! Ah! Okay. Yeah, I think that was just the silence of whatever. I'm just gonna hide. Ah! 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 You kill him? Good job, toy car. Now go find Slipper. Why are you doing this? Because you made fun of my car. Why does that give you the right to kill us? Why do you have to kill the car in the first place? To kill my enemies. You are now my enemy. Car, kill her. It is. Car, back up. Wait, no. Oh, that was a quick death. So, are you dead now? Okay, well, I'm just gonna go recover everyone. Brick and Journal. Yeah, I'm just gonna go recover them. Not you, Malachi. You know what, I will, but I'm gonna destroy your toy car first. That should be good. I'll go recover them now. I will be back for revenge.